One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? It's been working just like. Hello.
What's up, y'all?
And welcome back to Sibling Thrivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
Uzuko Ndima Tasisa, aka soon to be Rana Ndima.
Zizomkhulu.
Dlamini odlaka.
Hayibe!
Jamus chat fakati.
Hallelujah.
Nxibi noboya.
That's
Ndlovu
right.
sihle ekhaya ncaba ziswele umalusi.
I'm a Lucy.
Nansoke.
I've never heard that one. Putting into my armor. Welcome back, guys. Thanks again for joining us. And also, thank you for joining us previously in the previous episode. Sinithanda kakhulu. Also, siyekela uba sinixele uba siyanithanda. Okay, siyanithanda. Hayibo.
For Uthando is one of those things that you have to keep reminding people of. You know what I mean? That's why abantu couples nalandithikayo, I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Yeke naloo nto noba umntu umfonela kayi-10. Wena funa xa kwi-relationship uhappy for nini?
Relationship.
Kuyo, when you find yourself in one, when you have previously found yourself in one, wawuyibetha la weka I love you. Andifanisi nawe kodwa. Ayifani nawe lo bit.
Of course, I'm sorry, sweet.
Really?
Yes.
So when you were in a relationship, a serious relationship, wawusithi I love you. If you call each other 5 times a day,
Hayi kaloku azizobe I love ukokoko besisikhwenene. Unvile mos ekuseni.
hayi wena it's giving into yakho is giving hydro. Hayi hydro. Awuyazi.
Uyazi nawe
Spirit. Okay.
No, I'm very sweet. So the thing is about I love you, I think it's reserved for things and I don't think it should be reserved for like
Every day. Maybe reserve for xa umoshile.
no.
Then
No.
Oh, sorry.
No, I feel like okay, like if you meet someone in the first month, you're not allowed to say I love you. Why is it reserved? What if this is what I'm feeling right now? What if 2 weeks in you feel like I'm that kind of person. I'm sure I love you. Because I do.
Oh, zintoni.
No, I think we take this love thing and make it so specific to time spent. Don't how much I know about you. And it's like, bro, I know what I'm feeling. And it's feeling like love, dog.
It's like you rock my world, mchana.
Exactly, but also there's degrees of love, you know?
Okay.
And so can't say I love you. Oh yes, man, take a degree. Yes,
Yeah, entry level.
mhlambi entry level yaqonda John.
Yes.
And then in 5 years it'll build up. But
Thandanyana.
I always have to be like, kanene kuzothiwa
Okay.
it's too soon.
Oh,
But I love
uzibambe.
you, it gets very quick.
Khona, ulapha.
It's always on the tip of my tongue. For real.
Oh, man.
I know, I seem like a hardcore weirdo, but like,
That's
tell me
cute.
love.
That's really, really cute.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
then ke xa usoke unaye esechilo, then you don't all the time. Now I find it pretty awkward. But qho.
So
He
I love you every
Umuntu
day.
aqumbe ke ngoku ba afone back. I think you didn't say me. You didn't say it. You didn't tell me. Yeah.
I didn't feel it. But I don't.
You know, Joy, but now you're on the 3rd call, and then the person says, no, but you didn't say it on this 3rd call. Do it. Say it.
And this is the thing. I love, do it.
Yeah.
You don't have to say it if you do it.
Yes.
If I can make you feel like I love you without saying
Yeah.
it, I've won, bro. Ungifuna ntoni? Ufuna amagama.
Fundi, nabantu kaloku want different types of reassurance. Do you know what I mean?
For sure, but I just feel like when people get into relationships, they then make these weird standards.
Correct. Depending on ba yintoni eshotayo kule
Apha
komiki
kuwe.
yakho.
So kuthiwa i-love language yakho yile nto ishotayo in your
Ukhule
childhood.
ishota.
Ukhule ishota.
Gifts. Ikhona love language imali. Porsche.
Love language, you have it posh.
Imoto.
Love language, abanye abantu bayibe driver's license. Yeah, so I found that so interesting.
Okay.
Thinking of what my love languages are, and I was like, oh,
Did you find a link?
100%. I didn't even have to
Facts.
think far. I was just like, oh.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the landing mark.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Ushe
yeah.
ku-mind blown uyiwedwa because ubukele i-reel that says that.
Yeah.
And you're sitting alone at the time and you're like,
Are they talking to me?
kube ngasikufonela abantu uthi choma
Wait, your dog, ngasku exclamation, like ngasku itete. But this is why I'm like this, guys. This is why I'm like this.
Yes.
I'm not just like this.
Yes.
Wild. So
That's really
interesting. And now I'll never say it because now abantu bazon psychoanalyze.
Right.
Yeah, so that's the story. I love
Okay.
Gaitanda. I love I also fall quickly. I do.
So I'm learning so much about you in this episode.
And I would have never said this like 2 years ago because I was a thug.
Ne?
But I hung up my thug boots.
Uyakhawuleza ngokuwa.
No, I always have.
Mm.
Yeah. I'm just saying I wouldn't say it out
Oh,
loud.
okay.
But yeah, like my friends know that. Xa ndisithi, "Yo, I met someone bayazi ba in love, siyakwazi you in love."
And guess so much.
So much.
I'm
so
ngalandela
much.
isesiqhelo
Uh-uh.
notela thando lusezingqondweni.
No, andikho sezingqondweni tu. But with that being said, I also when it's done, I'm done.
Okay. It's just as
Yeah.
you are you
The
you are
extremities
able
are
to,
the same.
Yeah.
But I also think that it's because I love so hard and yoba, oh, maybe if I would have. Yes.
If
Which is why I can let something go because I can never put the blame on me for like maybe not showing somebody enough or not telling someone enough because I always do.
And look, and I think Mna, to your point, it's holding back. You are the biggest loser in holding back.
Oh, 100%.
Because
ishaka nawe.
yeah, I always liken it to, or I've started likening it to, a hand that is open so much to give is only open so much to receive as well.
Yeah.
So if I do this to give you, I can also receive in doing aga, which I
100%.
thought, which like that like forms part of my thinking to say, but actually, yawonke fethu.
We're funding because
Yawonke, because at the end of the day, the last thing you want is, boah, uyibone at the end of the day, but akwaba bendiyendonke. We're fine, fair. Uzahezisheka ke. Because people are peopling, you understand?
yes, and that happens whether you love big or love small.
Yes. You understand? Because like umntu ngabantu, so into eyenzeke is that Andiba.
I knew it. When you looked at me, I knew it. I was like, oh.
I'm sorry. Gonna be edited part. The first time
not.
you're gonna be edited.
Please, let the world know what I deal with all the time. Idiots. Aibo.
No, and you know what? And I think Nyani, it's like
You're not wrong. It's just the way you said it. But okay.
being hurt is part of the process.
100%.
Sometimes it happens.
Yes.
But now you can't ke ngoku uzichite wena ngonga by not being open to the next person because of uroja owenza ubumenemene. Ngoku now uyaziqhatha ngenxa karoja.
Ngoku wena uthanda ngobumenemene. Because that's what you're doing. Uyabala.
Yes.
And as soon as people start bala, then they're taking away from the experience for them.
For them.
Yeah.
For them.
Yeah.
And then kwanalondo leyo, now you get told or you get termed or you get labeled by, hey, mene ke lando, or whatever the case may be. And no one is having fun in that
Exactly.
experience.
So what's the
You're not
point?
having fun. The other person is not having fun. Go just whack.
Yeah, uzibamba it's always been a strange thing for me to hold back.
Yeah.
In a lot of things. Because I'm also like impulsive and I'm like, if I feel it, I want to do it. So love being one of those things. I'm just like, you are dope right now, and I want you in my life, and I can't wait to see you all the time. And ndigrand ngawe, ndiyakuthanda dog mna.
No, that's cool.
3 days later, 3 years later, I'm just like, yo, man,
Yes.
this is how I feel.
And if uzokwenza i-flops acela uba wenza i-flop and then ndicela uba buda ayisakuthandi because uyabhayiza.
Oh, 100%.
So gate.
And it's not my fault. It's like, I can walk away scot-free from that situation.
Jona yam and uzenzile and ozenzile akakhalelwa.
Tsho ngibatsho amaZulu
Oh,
namaXhosa.
Sisulu, yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, interesting. Otherwise, what
And
else?
then wena,
Titanium.
oh, I love your wafun.
No, ito koko. Masingai. Breakfasty. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. No, good morning. Every morning, Tabu uzawujinga emnqamle ezweni. If awutanga good morning, sana lam, ayisenzima. But you know what? These things become easy with the right person. It's one thing that I've come to learn. Ukuthi, when it's not the right person, it's a chore. When it's the right person,
You don't even
uthi
think
uvuka
about
nje
it.
uqombe, yo baby girl.
Uphumdu wami.
Ngaske ndiyazi uba ulele njani. Yoba ndizayithini lo information uba uphuphe kakubi. I don't know, but oyini ilanto kuthiwa umntu wakho. Ewe singaba kathixo andali, but bakhona abantu kome yabona lo ngumntu wam.
Wenzele mna.
Ah! You know what I mean? That's what I've come to realize. And that in the times that it has irritated me in the past, I've come to realize now in my old age, fethu. Because it felt like a chore. It was a tick box exercise.
100%. That's why it
Ubunga.
annoyed you.
Of which now I had a part to play because now maybe I was not entirely bendi half. I was not entirely maybe there. Because I've had experiences where it's been like, oh yeah, great. You know what I mean? I can say good morning, I can say good night, and no problem.
Yeah.
You understand? And situations whereby but then when I think back, I'm like, oh, I'm not lele bummenemeneni. Hey, God, this into zokhula guys.
I know, right?
Yakubekisa sometimes, you know, xa ucinga history yakho.
Yeah.
But you can't stick there because if you stick there, then you're gonna have a problem. But
I remember you told me the other time that there were things that you thought were your love languages, and then you realized that they weren't.
yes.
Depending on the person that you were with.
No, absolutely. And then also you find you meet someone and then they do something and then you're like the way you feel about what they've done or what they're saying or whatever, you're just like, you've never felt like that before.
And that's been said to you before.
Yeah, that's been said to you before, or that's not been said to you before. And it's just because, and I think inabo dangerous kwa into yokuthi ba first date, but what are your love languages?
Yes, because what ends up happening is that person then does what you have told them. Because now you're giving them the script.
Correct.
So.
Correct. You understand?
So whether they want to do that or not, whether they love that way or not, they're just going to do it because they're like, okay, we are itandali.
Yeah, exactly. And then
So if I say I love language, good morning every morning. Uyenze wena. Then you end up resenting about good morning, just like how you were feeling now, where you're just like, this way dini no ba uphuphe kakubi yana msebenza lo.
Bro, look, how was your day? Okay, sure, kezule boss yakho. Now what? Because Nandi's out, I'm not sure. No, let's do this. Yeah, HR. No.
You're not going to do anything
No.
about it.
I was there in HR. Ha, ufuna ngizungixelela. We understand?
And you're annoyed now. But wabuza wena, iba give me the crib notes. Yes. Now the crib notes are zikwenza nar.
Yeah. So don't get crib notes. Is that what we're saying?
Look, I think it's a thin line when you're trying to get to know somebody without asking questions. Because that's hard, right?
Yeah.
And these are the go-to questions that we have. But there's so many other questions that you can ask people.
Sizamuba deep kaloku sizamuba woke ngoku singabi what is your favorite color? Mawuthethe ngezinto ngezireal ngoku. Tell me about your childhood traumas. What are your triggers? Yeah, understand what are your love? Yeah. Fleka senze episode sithethe nge dating things to ask on a
Etiquette.
first date, things not to,
To
ask.
ask, yes.
Jalo njalo, man, guys. Because, because with all of this, like, Instagram stuff and all of that, no. Yeah, abantu babhayiza out there,
Yeah.
dog. Bathetha ngento abangaziyo uthetha ngazo.
No, 100%. Because you've been fed on TikTok, uyazazi my triggers, ungazibala, but you don't really know what it is.
Yes.
And so you can have a conversation about it, but awuyazi. So we're very good at regurgitating information.
Absolutely. Sibe singenayo deep understanding
Yeah.
yaloo nto leyo and the implications of it and all of that kind of stuff. Xa siyibamba on the surface, thina. Ba, for no, my triggers. Don't shout at me.
Because someone shouted at you once and you had a bad reaction.
You understand?
Yes.
Goku, but now you feel like when I'm saying so, uyakwazi like ubhanqa yabo, and then kungenzeki into. Because when I'm never shout.
Why do you always do that?
Kaloku ndiwashayi sometimes when ndizithethayo.
So did I get small caps?
Ithetha asterisks small writing. Because I sometimes feel like my opinions are strong.
Which they are.
Yeah, so I don't wanna be like that, because what I've realized is that because ndiba so
Animated and passionate.
passionate about certain things, people then just like will keep quiet, and then sometimes anzokorekishwa naxa ndirong. You understand? Because I've said it with
Your
my chest, you understand? But at least when I do that, ndiyafumana indawo ethiwa hayi senjo bangathi andikho sure.
Okay.
Yayiva wena uthi hayi bawuthini, and then ilungiseke. Do you know what I mean?
That's so smart. Also, did you know you were doing that, or are you just making up this theory now?
I'm making it up right now.
But it makes sense.
Yeah, and I do a lot of that. Like, I do a lot of figuring out in the moment. And yeah, that for me is definitely because Leno Choibandazaband is strong. And it's difficult to speak against something that someone says. If we teta, ba, akaloku, ye ndithile, yabo.
Like gospel truth.
Yeah, because now uboni chance ke ngoku xa ekunike that little bit of a gap, which I think is something that I've done in order to try and mitigate that, because you know, when you know something, you don't know what you don't know. So when you say something, but
And but creams are kukumbone.
yeah,
So
exactly.
yeah.
Now it's better because
There's room for correction here. There's
Talking
room
about
for-
white. Guys, also
It's giving
I
Santorini
feel like we don't
Ever.
talk.
ever about what we're gonna wear. And every time, like most recently,
Ah,
it's
man,
just
that's
been
wonderful.
like, it's giving,
Yeah.
we're in sync, brother! We're in sync, brother! I want us to do one closer word and keep it moving, because
Okay, cool.
kuningi.
Yeah. And what we're like 20 minutes in.
No.
Right, with 10 minutes left.
The closer word is ukucikika.
Ukucikika. Nokucikika. Yinto eyi-one.
I think so.
Okay.
My thing is, ukucikika kukhona in English. I feel like abelungu abaciki.
To hand wash.
Ay!
Ndani?
What's it the vungula?
Ndani?
Nalo vungula shori. Nalo shori of vungula uyenzayo. Nalo shori uyenzayo.
Njani, what is-
You don't like. Ayibo. Ukucikika can't be hand washed,
What
dog.
do you mean?
Because it just feels like it's like a laborious thing.
Yes.
Ba yenzisisa.
Hand washing. I call hand washing light, hand washing.
You can't hand washing a light. But ke as collab.
Okay, fair.
But cool, I'll take it.
Okay.
Linguists, Nichok, and they understand is correct. Yo, there's one thing that haunts me about one of our Xhosa words.
Yeah.
Because I kept saying umlelele flat, and everyone was like, umlalele flat. Oh, I was like, yes, but I know that. They're like, but why did I say it? Lalele flat.
Abahlali bathanda ukorekisha bra, and abahlali will correct you till the cows come home. Ifana nalaa nto ungquphansi.
Yo, dog, I said it wrong.
You know, and I always feel like, oh, and I respond because I comments. Because I'm
No, because you're saying, okay, Ngosi chap. Yes, I said it wrong. I'm a human. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for being human.
Yeah. Mlalele flat, mlalele flat. Then it made so much sense seeing someone lying on the tummy, on their
Yes.
tummy. You know, then I was like, yes,
Sniper.
he's sniper.
Okay.
All right, cool. Done with that.
So, what are we talking about today?
Acho maloku ndiva kuwe mna. Namhlanje.
Oh, is it? Okay. Then tape of the previous episode. Bases out double click on Lendo Yako.
Hey, picture me.
Or by Black Sheep. Yo? No! No, tell us a bit more about heavy. Tell us a bit more about your experience. You remember in the last episode,
As
right?
a black sheep.
No. Sorry. That's another podcast in Yenzayo no mute.
Uyaxoka udinga ndi-black sheep. Somebody's got to do it.
Oh man. So we said we were going to speak about, you know, how parents will ask you to do stuff. No. So I wanted to speak about a little bit about what your journey looked like in terms of lento yakho yofuna uacta.
Suthi yinto yami. First and foremost, asiqaleni lapho. Because awuzothi lento yakho yoba ngudoctor, no one says that, but all of a sudden when it's being artistry, it's like lento yakho.
Yeah. Well, Adi, it's something that you came up with in your head.
No one's ever done this.
All right, that is a form of kind of like speaking down on it.
100%. And you hear it all the time, which is so sad.
Lento yakho yomculo. Like you're the first,
Like you're the first person of unucula.
and it's those little things, bro, that mean stuff.
Oh, 100%. It's those little things that cause certain attitudes in people, and certain sensitivities in people.
And subliminally so. Because are we thinking on the surface, but lento yam, xa kuthiwa lento yam, kuthethwa oku, noku, 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 but
You
it's just
already,
something that forms in
there's
your
something
head.
off. Yeah, when someone says that, you're already like, you obviously don't take this seriously. Therefore,
Ewe.
you don't take me seriously and my decisions. So, ucimba
He's like, you know, basically.
yeah, basically, it's very sad.
Okay, so I wanted to speak a little bit about that in terms of then what was your experience
Oh, okay.
with that, and what your thoughts are on that experience.
So, okay.
Especially given because uke wenza comment ethi ba yeah, but also unsimba umzali guys, you also can't just be going around saying yeah sure hayi mna ndifuna uspina ngentloko etown beke umnqwazi abantu banibhatala, like you can't yenza umzekelo.
I don't want to do this show anymore. I think you deserve your own show, actually. Kendi hambe mna. Because why?
Siyathetha
The
nabantu,
audience member. I'll be the audience.
Ungahleka ngendlela endilisekileyo ke ngoku xa ungekho lapha phambi kwemike. Also, you've got all the tears in the world for me.
Weird. This never happened to me.
Then,
Excuse me.
so I even forgot what I was saying now.
No, I understand your
So
question.
Ileno Choiba, so omnye umzali ba, where do you then draw the line? So I take it to go to you're not moving from a place whereby you are hurt or you hate that whatever happened, but you're going to be speaking from a mature place to say, but, hey, no, this was my experience. No.
Foresight, yeah. Not foresight. What is it? Oh, it's this word again. Okay. So the cool thing for me, so when I finished matric, I was 17.
Yeah.
Right? And Umama was just like, hey man, what do you want to do? I was like, I want to be an accountant. And she was like,
You said you want to be an accountant.
I liked accounting. I think I failed it though, but I really liked it.
You know the money accounting for every debit, there's a credit, and then play balances.
No, sanuzenza into yethu bencinci.
Lento yenu ye-accounting.
Ilula. Umama was like, Man, this lady's young, man. Let
Yeah.
her just chill for
Okay.
like a year.
Okay.
Blessings on blessings on blessings, first and foremost,
Okay.
because I was young.
Yes.
How are you 17 and
Yeah.
making a life choice? That's
Correct.
crazy.
Yeah, absolutely.
And umzali amazi umntanakhe bayale. Isilence is cut.
And also, I think it's so much pressure probably on the parent to say, "Bah, now I have to make this decision for this person." Wah! Maske simlinde.
In
Facts.
2 years, yeah. So I took a year off.
Okay.
And during the year off, I was a waitress at Spur.
Okay. Yeah.
I started reading the news at the local radio station.
Yeah.
Got my own show at the local radio station. Then the bug
DJ
hit.
Latte. Oh, DJ Ba.
Uh,
DJ Ba. Oh, DJ Ba. Come on. Save space.
What you laugh? DJ Hot Chocolate. I had such a dope show. Saturdays and Sunday nights, 6 to 9. Lali hip hop, R&B. My favorite things. Oh, best thing ever.
Sure.
And so that's when I was just like, wait, media?
Mm-hmm.
And because I'd never actually thought about it before.
Okay.
You know, Escoleni, like in our primary school. Did you go to St. Dominic's?
I went to St. Dominic's for a couple of years, yeah.
But you know, you remember that we used to have plays that we had to do. Everyone had to partake in a play.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like,
So-
yeah, like most schools also.
Yeah, well.
Belly data, power guy, bendaka.
Bengumti.
Yeah. Oh, and you acted Ungu Scarecrow.
No,
Wamba.
I was the lion. Thank
Oh, okay,
you so
okay.
much.
In what is that thing called?
Follow Yellow Brick Road in The Wizard of Oz.
The Wizard of Oz.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that was in my final year in primary school.
Okay.
So we did that, and I always enjoyed that, and I, always got lead roles and stuff. But I never really thought
Yes.
about it. So fine. Then I do this radio thing, get exposed to Afika abantu bakhassela out ndaba interviewing yabona Chobi.
Because I'm gonna have a VIP tag.
Yeah,
You're a person.
I'm a human now. So by the end of that year, I was like, I want to be in the media industry.
Aha.
And my mom was like, Ben got dead.
Okay.
So she was just like, hey, same conversation,
Sure.
please, can you just do something else? Because it's not make sure the career, uyababona nawe.
And the same, in London. I mean, when was that? This was 2001. Yeah.
So, but already we could see Bantu, are dying with no money. I see now.
Yeah.
So she was like, please just do anything else. Nobody
Okay.
doing.
Yeah.
So she didn't suggest, she didn't tell me what to do. So I went and I did PR.
Okay.
And I think maybe she was hoping that the bug would have come out of my system. And it could have, but it really didn't. And when they...
Imagine nje bufundi PR ke ngokusenza usaqhuba on a site.
Into nje mebhayi?
Hot chocolate. No.
No, no. When I started studying, I was studying full time.
Okay.
And I think I did my show for a little bit, but I didn't do it the whole time.
Okay.
So then I had nothing to do with media for the time that I was studying. And then when I was done, I was like, okay, I actually still want to do it.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I went and I did it. In retrospect,
You went and you did what?
a BA in drama.
Okay. I end now your son.
I'm like the
I'm
least
joking,
dramatic person I know.
Man, I'm actually young and not drama.
None whatsoever.
Yeah.
So in retrospect, I'm like, hey, maybe I picked the wrong school or whatever. But I'm just like, I really I made my parents go through it. Like,
Yeah.
they had to pay like 7 years worth of school fees.
Yeah.
I appreciate the fact that umama, without trying to put water on my fire,
Yeah.
was just like gently trying to be like, hey man.
Yeah.
I
What a
appreciate that.
delicate thing, bro.
It's a
What
very delicate thing because you don't
Yo.
want to kill someone's dream.
You don't want to completely be hands off, but you also don't want to be steering wheel. You want to be a passenger princess, but at least must be khona breaks na kweli cala.
Ngibona ngathi
Yo, no, that's
it's
a
a
class act,
very
bro.
delicate
Yeah,
thing, man.
yeah,
It is,
yeah.
and I think, you know, you ask yourself, like, where does she know how to be delicate in this situation from?
Yes,
Like,
yes.
what was her like experience like when she? But also when our parents were growing up, there weren't many options.
Yeah.
You weren't like, I'm gonna go be a dancer.
Yeah.
You were like, I'm gonna be a nurse. I'm gonna be a teacher.
Yeah, for sure.
Like, pick between the two.
Yeah.
And so you picked one. So I don't think there necessarily was any delicacy around it from your parents, just purely because the options were options.
Yeah.
And also because options, it's a great thing. So our parents love the fact that kuku options.
Yeah.
But they also need to be like, okay, ezinye options as fun as ezinye.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, so that's what happened. And in many times over the years, she's been like, when times are tough, because times are always tough.
Yeah, because
She's been like, "Fanini, you plan B wakho." But I've never wanted to do it.
Okay.
I've thought about it, I've inquired, and I've just been like, I can't see myself doing it. And
Can't be a corporate hand. Of my corporate hand.
oh, dingai corporate hand cute. I'll tell you English, pala belunga. Yeah, nigga, do this to you. I don't think I have the temperament
Sure.
for it. Just because purely based on the stories that people tell about corporate.
Yeah.
I'm like, hey, boo.
Ayinayo inyamezelo ethile funa ayinayo itiming ethile inabo ubumene obuthile. There's a lot that needs to be in your packet of tools in order to kind of make it, because it's stressful.
Where do you get those tools from?
Your therapist.
Yo, but a therapist, it's your first job.
Yeah, you get it from people around you. You get it like
Advice.
just also from you, like when
Ingqondo yakho.
depending on how resilient you are, how you problem solve, etc. Yeah, that's an entirely tricky thing.
I really don't think I could do it.
Be woman,
Black woman. I don't think I have the temperament for it at all. Like, I get so mad at injustice, like so mad at
Yeah.
like the smallest injustices. I wouldn't be able to keep quiet. Jonathan, boardroom. I wouldn't.
Funeka ube very, very good at your job. Ufunde kwenzela uba ukwazi ufumana ispanho.
Because sundown. 100%. But also, you do understand as a human being, but okay, obviously, angikwazi ube ndiphakama ndithukisa every day. I need to do.
And I think a lot of those tools you have from life in general.
I
It's
suppose.
just that now they link to your salary. So in actual fact, you probably even are a little bit softer when it comes to that than your real life.
Look,
because
not
the
that it doesn't happen
implications- Yeah, of
where I
course.
am.
Yeah, because I'm back, yes.
Yes, the injustices in my industry are incredible.
Yeah, for sure.
And I was having this conversation with Mama the other day, and she was just like, "Why don't you guys write a letter to whatever, and you're complaining?" The problem is, if you stand up for yourself, you get victimized. Yeah. Because you know too much. You have tetelela.
Yeah,
So-
problematic.
Problematic because not because you've done anything wrong.
Yeah.
No, just because we are tetelela.
Yeah,
So there's a lot of,
yeah.
I have to keep quiet. I can't say too much. I can't speak up when I've been wronged.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, it sucks.
Yeah.
That goes without saying. But yeah, so I mean, that's what happened.
Okay.
I think it's the same story as anybody else, whose parent has tried to, give them a better situation.
Yeah, for sure.
I don't know though if I can do this forever.
Okay.
Yeah.
It sounds a lot though like you were advised a bit, but predominantly you got to do things the way you wanted to do them.
Yeah.
Okay.
I also
Which is
just
nice,
think
an
like
ideal situation.
it
No?
is. It can be. There's lots of like weird feelings around it though as a child, where when things aren't going right.
Yes.
Or you go, why didn't I just listen to my parents, bro?
Yes. Yeah, for sure. Then you'll be
Like, where have I lived?
And
What
that's
life
and
have
that's
I
a
lived?
trusting self thing, right?
Yeah.
And that's a backing self thing. Which I think nami kevele londo leo sometimes, but because I think I'm indecisive and all of these other things, you know. And ikivele londo leo. You are man, I wish benongixelela benothi ba yenza lento ndiyenze. But then you also think on the flip side of the coin, there are some things I've been told by yenza lento le beqome mna. Let me show you something. What is not going to happen? Ilendo othi mandiyenze.
Miss me. So I know, like, I'm hard-headed about the decisions that I make about my life. And I'm just like, no, this is my decision to make.
Yeah.
And with the failures comes like, this is my failure. I made it.
Yeah,
But
own it.
on the other side of the coin also comes, I should have just listened from day one. I wouldn't be here in this situation. I mean, I could be depressed and
Correct.
suicidal, but like, you know, you never
could
know.
be in a way total opposite of
Oh,
that.
total opposite.
Yeah,
I
no,
could
for
be
sure.
successful and
Yeah,
happy
yeah, yeah.
with a husband and 2.5 kids. But I don't have regrets, though. This is the thing.
Lovely. Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. I think being able to live a life where you don't have regrets. Yes, there's things where you're like, oh, okay, yeah, maybe that could have. But also, I feel like living in that thing of having regrets. Ibe ungayazi bayayizawuthena out njani. Also, like, kusifake in some sort of a jail.
Yeah.
Because you don't know about bizawuthini. Yes, ubuza umamela. And then ubuza unansika londo leyo, and then you don't know. You don't know. What you do know is what's happening right now and how you can most probably do something about that.
Yeah, so the delicate balance then becomes our parents know more than us, obviously, because
Yes.
they've lived and they've seen more than us. And the advice that they give us is for us to be better most of the time.
Correct.
What we want, though, is also important.
Yes.
We can't negate the fact that I'm also my own person
Yeah.
and the content is
Yeah.
for myself.
Yeah.
So then there's a very delicate cakewalk that happens between taking advice and also being able to do what you want.
Yeah.
Being umntana right, okanye being injubaqa yomntana yenza into ayifunayo.
Yeah.
And sometimes you take that thing to the extreme because you feel like,
Correct, balance.
oko ehleli phezu kwam andifuni nombona.
zababonisa.
Zababonisa uba I can do this without them. No.
Yeah.
And that ecosystem is so big because there's so many contributing factors. And you can't say, because it worked in the way it worked for me and my parents
Correct.
and my life, I can't give you the same advice
Yeah.
to somebody else.
Yeah.
Because abanye abazali aren't cool people.
Yeah. But on the extreme end.
Oh, 100%.
Yes. But on the extreme
Bafuna
end.
ukontrola,
Yes.
bafuna uqhayisa ngawe estradweni. Like, that's more important
Bafuna
than
ukutya imali
uheba-
zakho. Once ke ngoku unansike ube nenansika. Once ube successful be ungqirha bafuna ulence zamali zase-surgery. No, that's true.
For sure, you know, because they're also human.
Because investment kaloku.
I invested in you, so
Dancama izinto nam.
ndifuna returns zam.
Exactly, yeah, for sure.
So you know, you can't advise someone ba mamela abazali bakho because I don't know ba abazali
Yeah,
bakho
yeah.
bazenzelani izinto abazenzayo.
Yeah.
I just feel like I was in a good situation.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like that. And I think to what you're saying as well in terms of this delicate situation that we find ourselves in, I think one thing that we need to try and do as well is sizame nathi to be able to bring a full case. Whether ungumzali, whether you're a big brother, whether you're a cousin, whether you're a friend, whether you're a whatever, if you find yourself in a position whereby you are able to give advice to someone or you can give advice to someone, or you are a decider in a specific situation, kuza ne case egcweleyo. and not say, no, just because, I mean, it makes sense. What do you mean?
Yeah.
Awuyiboni wena uba yenza sense
No.
loo nto leyo. You understand?
Yeah.
It's to come with the full case. But
Yeah.
no, kaloku.
If uyijonge
Sendifuna
ngapha.
woluke
Yeah.
nje. Oh, sendifuna le nto ndiyifunayo. It's because of this. This is the potential trajectory that I see it going in. This is what the market looks like. Not almost selling it.
100%.
Right?
You have to put your case forward.
Yes.
With all of the merits of the case.
Correct.
Yes.
And the same goes for then the child or the person receiving that advice. So,
Bakutheni
naye
wena?
makafaki case. Because just like umzala ngenothi, because nditsho.
Sure, yeah.
No, nalo akakwazi ukuthi no, because I feel like, you know, is there something in me who makes me want to express myself? Because I'm a creative. You understand? Is that the case? What's your plan? You understand? Jalo, but how are you going to make this work? How much do you know about it? And how are you going to make it work?
And this is
And
the
where
thing.
do you need support?
100%.
Ungathi because I feel like I was born to do it. Because now I feel like I was born momentarily in world deep. I can't do that. You understand?
Go get mama. Nani ndeza ndijive live isithathu. Nani sichima wakusothini. Ngoku xa isithi ndifuna ujive andifuni.
Njalo time njalo place bhatale for when uyofunda ukwenza iroboto. Kame kancinci. So nqeni kubi 80,000. Ching. Hey, indlela le episode. Okay, that's really cool. I really like that.
If you guys see me here on this chair again, yes, my hand is tight.
And I think, look, more than anything else, I'm glad to have heard it from your perspective, and I'm glad that we kind of reached a point to say, how do we kind of make that situation better? How can we make it better? And that we've realized, just like most things, it takes two to tango. You understand?
You're sweating.
Is it?
Yeah.
It takes two to tango, and we also need to be willing to tango.
Oh,
Singasoloko
100%.
singafuna umamela
Yeah.
because we feel like we must tango also.
Nah,
And in
tango,
order to
yes.
tango, you must learn how to tango,
tango,
right?
yeah, true.
So I think that's very important. I think that's my key takeaway.
Yeah.
I'm glad for you it turned out the way it turned out. And I know that it doesn't for a lot of people.
Yeah.
But, I mean, the only thing that we can do is kind of learn as we all go through it.
100%. It's
and
a hard
pick up
road,
tools.
man.
Yeah.
Especially when the negatives come, it's even harder.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, it's the
Yeah,
hardest thing in the
yeah.
world when you can just see like the disappointment in someone's eyes, or how about they just wish that you could do better. They wish
Yeah.
that you could find more, but they can't
Yes.
do anything about it. Umzali, that is.
Always.
Yeah, because it's
Yeah,
like,
it's
you
your
know,
path,
this
that's
is
your choice.
your path. It's really hard on me too.
Yeah,
I
for
know
sure.
it's hard on them, but it's just as hard on me as well. But I think there's a certain kind of honesty, and I think we always kind of come back to it. A certain kind of honesty that you have to have with yourself in order for you to forgive yourself, in order
No,
for you to
absolutely.
correct the wrongs.
In order for you to like to do better.
Yeah, to do better
To
next
do
time.
better, yeah. Be more well researched, be more prepared, etc. etc. Like asifuna usibana man.
Yeah.
But ke into esithetha yi-one nansi. Xa sithi ilwa asithi ilwa nabantu abaku-advisayo. Sithi ilwa in terms of be prepared.
Yes. Ilwa mfana, ilwa
Work hard, be
ntombazana.
prepared.
Fight for
That's what it-
yourself.
yes, correct,
100%.
correct.
Fight for
Okay.
yourself to be better.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Love
Love each other.